program engaged in abusive litigation tactics, including concealing evidence, supplying false information, and retaliating repeatedly.
A program meant to help children finds itself facing a barrage of criticism as a judge asks tough questions about its actions and motivations. A Snohomish County Superior Court judge has made dramatic rulings today, saying the program that's supposed to help children in the middle of CPS custody cases is fraught itself with misconduct, deception, spying, and a total lack of oversight.
King 5 investigator Susanna Frame was in court today. This sounds pretty serious, Susanna.
It is, Mark and Lori. This program that we're talking about is called the VGAL program. That stands for Volunteer Guardian Ad Litems. These are volunteers who are supposed to be a voice for the children in these cases with the ultimate thing at stake, whether or not this child will go into foster care or go back to living with their parents permanently. But a judge ruled today that the program in Snohomish County has so many problems that the best interests of these children has been put in jeopardy for years.
This misconduct was not minor or insubstantial. It was pervasive and egregious.
Superior Court Judge Anita Farris took off the gloves in her courtroom today, saying innocent children in the middle of ugly parental rights cases in Snohomish County have been harmed by the very program that's supposed to help them. The VGAL program, where volunteers are officers of the court, they're the ones that are supposed to make sure the child's best interest remains at the heart of these cases.
The misconduct by the Guardian Ad Litems seriously jeopardized the finality and permanency for this child, directly contrary to the best interests of the child.
The problems first came to light last year when an attorney for the parents in these cases accused a VGAL of spying, secretly getting onto a listserv, a group email site meant only for defense attorneys of parents who are trying to keep their children. This is where the attorneys communicate about legal strategies in confidential emails. On this accusation, Judge Farris agreed the VGAL was spying, ruling earlier this year that the VGAL lied under oath, submitted a declaration to the court that's a made-up sham, and used the county email system to commit the crime of theft.
VGAL misconduct allowed to multiply and fester hurts. It does not help the VGAL program.
Judge Farris ruled the misdeeds did multiply after those first allegations, with this as the motive: making sure children stayed away from their parents after allegations of abuse or neglect, a bias toward foster parents, and that in some cases the VGAL would do anything to make that happen.
She treated the parents as non-entities even though it was months before trial and the parents were active visiting and doing some services. The Snohomish County VGAL program engaged in abusive litigation tactics, including concealing evidence, supplying false information, and retaliating repeatedly.
Adam Balut is the parent's attorney who made the first spying allegations against the Snohomish County VGAL.
It's incredible. I mean, we have an agency and a program now that's been found to have destroyed evidence, covered up findings of misconduct, and that undermines our whole system. That undermines what we do and our ability to protect our clients and their families.
I've never seen anything like this before.
Alicia Leviju is an attorney for the University of Washington School of Law.
I think it says that this program has been acting unethically and egregiously unethically for a few years now, and it just shows why children need and deserve better in our state.
Judge Farris also ruled today that it wasn't just a few rogue VGALs doing their own thing, but some of the top managers of the program were involved as well, that they knew about some of the misconduct but looked the other way, and in some cases lied about it on the stand, which is very serious. We tried to get a hold of VGAL representatives today. No one was available on the phone, and none of them, by the way, showed up to court.
All right, so Susanna, what happens next?
Well, I think ultimately it's up to the judges. Any Superior Court house, the judges are the top dogs, you know. So I spoke with the assistant presiding judge Downs today in Snohomish County. He said they're going to be looking at the findings and then taking this very seriously and deciding what to do next after that. So I think there's more to come.
Wow. Okay, Susanna, thanks.
Sure.